Hi everybody, welcome to PearGenius Tip of the Week. Today we're going to be stripping some wire and wiring up a light switch. So I've laid out all the tools that we'll need. Got a green Robertson screwdriver, knife. I put out 3 different types of wire strippers. Auto strippers, just the regular kind of strippers that you get at the store, and same kind of idea. I've got side cutters, lineman pliers, needle nose pliers. Here's an actual piece of wire, and we'll start with doing about 8 inches Lumex. Just cut off the excess. So here you have your black wire and your white wire. The white is your neutral, the black is your hot, and the copper is your ground. So we can start with this type of wire stripper. This is a 14 gauge. So on these wire strippers we have the number 14. I'll go down about almost an inch. Strip it. Now what you want to make sure you don't do is nick the wire, because that actually will weaken it over time. And here I have a pair of auto strippers. I'll do the same thing. These ones actually work perfectly. They never nick the wire. So what you're going to want to do here is grab your side cutters, and you grab the tip of the wire, and then you just curl it over and then bring it back a little bit. It might have a little bit of excess, but that's okay. Get your light switch ready. These ones are good because they actually have 2 different ways to wire the switch, but today we're going to do it both ways. So you take your wire, you curl it around the terminal, get it into the slot. Perfect. You put your green Robertson on there, tighten it up. Nice and tight. We have a little bit of excess. You can actually cut that off. There you have it. The key is to not get any insulation underneath the screw terminal. And it's nice and tight. And what happens is when you tighten the screw, the curl actually comes around and makes sure that it won't come undone. So right now we have a really nice tight connection. So I'll undo this quick and just show you one more time. On these types of light switches, you can actually do it 2 different ways. Cut it a little bit shorter this time. And on here, you can just slide it in under the brass tab and tighten it. On these light switches, you actually have two ports that will accept the wire. And that's it, nice and tight. After you finish tightening it, you just give it a pull, make sure that there's no movement. The insulation is right to the edge. There's no insulation underneath the terminal. And that's it. For a light switch, you would have a hot coming to the bottom and then a hot leaving on the top to the light switch, and you would tie your neutrals together. And that's it for today. Have a good day, and we'll see you again next time.